Hey, have you been looking for top quality traffic to be able to build and grow your business online and send your funnel so you could get more leads, sales, and signups? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to go over a couple traffic sources that can help you to get high quality traffic to your funnels, and I'm going to show you how to use a website called Udimi and also another site that will help you get very high quality targeted traffic to your offers. And if you use that site as well, you'll be able to actually get the best results possible with your paid traffic. So let's get right into it. So Udemy is basically a site that you can actually go to and you can find people that sell traffic, which a solo ad traffic, basically is, traffic that goes from somebody else's email list onto your email list. They put their name and their email in, and then you capture them when the solo ad vendor sends out an email. So they go from their list to your list. They opt in, which means put their name and their email in. So that's basically how they get onto your list. So when you generate leads, there's a process to this. So when you find people on here, you want to make sure your sales are at 50%, and then you want to go down and you want to see people's stats. So you want to see how many sales they're getting. That's this number right here in the middle, and then you want to see the number of reviews, and then you want to see the cost. So these are important things that you want to look at when you go to get paid traffic from somebody. So you want to look at the stats, you want to look at the sales, the reviews, and the cost, right? So those are the main things. It's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. But the main thing that you have to know whenever you're getting paid traffic is how to turn those people from leads to people who actually buy something from you, because most of your results and sales are going to come from the back end, from the follow-up, and you want to make sure your emails are actually going to inbox, right? So if you're sending out emails and your emails are going to spam, then nobody's actually seeing your emails. So basically you want to make sure your emails are landing in the inbox, and so people are seeing them. So when people come onto your list, you want to do a segment of them and make sure that you're only sending emails to the people who want to see your emails. So there's a process to doing that and knowing how to do that the right way. So I'd suggest coming over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com and getting a traffic package right here. I could see my video right here. I need to fix that. But the reason why you should get traffic at profitbuilderstraffic.com is because I want to make sure that you get highly engaged traffic to the offers that you're promoting, and make sure that your capture page and sales copy are congruent. So you want to make sure that your funnel is very congruent, and most importantly, you want to make sure that the quality of the traffic is very good, because if you're getting low quality traffic, then it's not going to convert very well. And so when you get traffic from me, you're getting traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing, PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic when you order from me. And the best part about ordering from me is I actually give you feedback. So if you go to Udemy or you go to any other traffic source, they're not going to give you any feedback on your funnels. You're not going to know anything. You're not going to know how to keep your emails in inbox. You're not going to know how to manage your email list. You're not going to know any of that stuff. But when you order traffic from me, you're going to actually know how to do that, because we go over that stuff. We go over how to make sure your funnel converts up to 85% opt-in rate. We go over how to make sure you have a good offer. We go over how to make sure you know how to track your leads and conversion rate, so you know your stats when you're running traffic to the funnel. Because when I first got started in marketing, I didn't know how to do that. I was just going off other people that were saying buy paid traffic, but I didn't know any stats. So I was pretty much running traffic without knowing anything. It was like me throwing money away and throwing it in the dark. I didn't know what I was doing and nobody would help me. So this is what I help people to do. So when you order a traffic package from me, you're going to know exactly how to do this stuff. You're going to know how to get the best opt-in rate, best conversion rate. You're going to know how to actually manage your list the right way. You're going to know all that kind of stuff. You're going to know what to do in combination with your paid traffic to be able to increase your sales when you're actually having those people on your list, because there's a process to actually getting those leads to convert. And then you want to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. So that's what I help you to do. So we do this in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. We do a campaign review and a strategy call. So after you order, I give you feedback, and then I show you how to do those things the right way and help you to actually get results, so you're not just buying traffic and just sending it to a funnel, because that's the worst thing that you want to do, is just do that without anything else. It's not like a casino slot machine. There is a process to it, to getting results. You don't just throw traffic to a funnel and expect sales to come out the other side. I know it sounds really cool. I know it sounds like something that excites you, but that's not how you want to treat your business, right? And then so all orders are going to be started after we have the strategy call, normally within 3 days or less, but when you book the strategy call, it could be a little bit after that. So here's some of my results right here. I have 200 clicks. I have 90% opt-in rate with 3 sales, and I have other testimonials right here. So make sure you take a look at those for yourself when you order. And here's the packages right here. Here's 90% tier 1. Here's 100% tier 1. And then here's some of the questions that you may have. So come down here and make sure you take a look. Here's my guarantee to you. My guarantee to you is you get 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. So just come down here, and if you have any questions, you can leave your questions down here, or you can reach out to me on Facebook. Gio Ambrose Giata. I am verified on Facebook, so you will know it's a real profile. And if you click on the link below this video, you'll get into my Facebook group. You can get to my Facebook page that way as well. I have a free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. Also, you'll find a link to the store below this video as well. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a video. And if you have any questions or concerns, leave your comments below, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.